G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is, another bathroom. It's going to be a slight step up of 30mm into the shower because they don't want it raising up at the floor here. They want it flush. So that's cool. What I'll be doing is putting about a 8mm bed, because the concrete slopes away. It'll be stick down onto the waterproof here, and over against the wall there is 7 or 8mm that the concrete's diving away, so we'll level it up. But that'll be the only step into the shower, and it's going to be a 900 by 900 shower. So I'll get started and I'll catch up with you soon. See you later. Bye.